Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the September Tosh Mosh Creations subscription box for you guys. It's priced at rupees 14.99 including shipping, and there is a 5% discount code as well, which is Sonam5, using which you can get a 5% off. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So this is the bag that we got this month, and this is definitely the star product as always. Really good quality. It has these handles and it's a very nice beige and goldeny color. It has some kind of embroidery as well. Looks really pretty. The finishing and everything is really good. This is how it looks from inside. It has some pockets here and there's a zipper here, and this is the sling. Again, a really good quality sling as well, and this bag is pretty spacious for everyday use. You can keep all your essentials, some makeup, cash, phone, and maybe some notebook, whatever you need. It's more than enough for your daily use, and it's a very nice sturdy bag. Even the shape is quite good. So I definitely like the bag, and this is definitely a star product this month. Then next we have a t-shirt, and this is a normal round neck white t-shirt which has a crown and it says Queen on it. So this is a Queen t-shirt. I have received this before as well in my Valentine's Day combo, if you guys have seen that. So a very nice, simple and quirky t-shirt that you can use as a loungewear and even as a casual t-shirt when you go out. So definitely adding a clothing is a big thumbs up from me. Now apart from all these, there is one other lifestyle product, which is this, and this is a very unique product which I have never received before. This is a blow up pillow. So you just blow in some air here and this will blow up and become a pillow. So this is very travel friendly and definitely something that I didn't have and I've never received in a subscription box before. So I really liked it. Definitely a very useful product for especially travel enthusiasts. Then next, as always, we have some jewelry pieces, and this is my favorite. It has a black floral pattern stud, and then it has these black tassels. So these are closed right now. It looks very pretty and classy and definitely good quality as well, as you can see here. So this is something that I would like to use. Then we have got these silver spiral kind of hoop earrings, and these are again kind of chunky. If you're someone who likes, chunky party wear kind of jewelry, you will definitely like it. And this will be more suitable for ethnic wear, I believe. But this color is very versatile. It's a shiny silver color. So you can definitely pair this with many of your outfits. Then the last product is a chain, and it has a heart-shaped locket like this with a green ball and these fringes as well. Everything is in black. Nice and young pattern, something that teenagers would love to wear, and it's quite long as well. So these are all the products in the September Tosh Mosh Creations box or bag, and it's priced at $14.99. If you guys liked it and are interested in getting this, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. Personally, I did like the bag, the t-shirt and this earring, and even the pillow. I loved getting this. This is a very unique product, so I liked it. I hope you guys liked my honest review in this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do check out the giveaway links as well. Today is the last day to participate, so all the best to you all. Put your best efforts, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video soon. Till then, take care. Bye.